Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your ringtone in Line Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app which is on your phone. After that, what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen, and then go to Settings. The next thing you want to do is scroll a little bit down and find Calls. You can see Calls which is under General. Go ahead and tap on Calls. And you can scroll a bit down and you can see the ringtone. So you can go ahead and tap on it and you can see some of the default ringtones over here. Some of them are named Xylophone, Spring, Line and Telephone Ring. You can go ahead and play them, whichever you like. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see the ringtone has now been changed. So you can go ahead and select it and there you go. I hope this video about how you can change the ringtone in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.